Hello, welcome to LEV Toys. It's day 17, which means we are opening another door 17. Coincidentally, here it is. Oh, okay, all right, so it's got gears on the outside and it's, it's got presents. We got presents! Presents for day 17. But we have to build them. Okay, so might be a little bit too excited to get presents. It's not even Christmas yet. Though opening each little door each day is just like getting a little tiny present each day. So let's build our presents up. We've got two of them with different color schemes. So this one has got, is blue and white, and the other one's purple and white. So let me put the, why do we have, oh no, okay, so we need the long white one here. And here, so this side here is where we're going to be putting the little hook. So we need to build it up just a little bit with the white little single squares. Cute. Is there still enough room for a present in there? Well, let's find out. What's supposed to go in here? A microphone! So this is the perfect present for Andrea. And here's the lid. And there's the little accessory, the bow on the top. That is really, really adorable and very, very clever. Very simple and very clever. That's so cute! And you can pop the lid off and you can get the present out whenever you like. Except you can't get it whenever you like. You have to wait till Christmas Day because they're the rules. So let's make the next one, which is exactly the same except in purple. And it's going to have a different present in it. Though I think there are actually two microphones in here. So you could put microphones in both if you want. So we got to put the present in, which is a pink crown. A pink crown. I wonder who would be getting that. I don't know that any of the girls really would want a pink crown. Maybe Andrea again for like performing purposes, or maybe Emma for dress up. I don't know. You'll have to tell me in the comments. Let me know what you think. But there is an extra, see? There's an extra crown and there's an extra microphone. And we've even got an extra, a white piece here. So this is so you can exchange out the hook, the hangy hook piece. If you don't want to hang it, I can't get this off. Nothing didn't take that over my teeth. Shh. Don't tell my mum. She still tells me, even though I'm a fully grown adult, don't take things off with your teeth. You'll break them. Oh dear, good times. All right, so we've got two beautiful, I can hinge that. Oh, that's cool. Two beautiful presents, which you can open whenever you want. You can make them little hanging accessories. You can make them a gift for the girls. You can do whatever you want with them, and I love them. All right, I'm excited for tomorrow. Are you excited for tomorrow? I hope you're excited for tomorrow. I will see you tomorrow then. Bye.